this DIY, I'll show you how to turn this dead space into a monster truck course or also a skateboard park by using a Step 2 Hot Wheels racetrack table. I had some extra foam from some packing supplies and also some cardboard that I had here and there for other projects that I've used before that came in handy for this project. You may start by filling in the dead space in areas that you want to create some kind of ramp or some kind of feature to the track itself, ensuring that it doesn't obstruct the table from laying flat. For this process, you only need to tape the features in place for now until you can glue them permanently on the table. The features don't need to look identical to the ones that I did, but feel free to find some areas or gaps where you can actually create something fun and unique. Do lots of test fitments to ensure that you're going to have a good overall result. For the grind bar itself, I ended up using some PEX piping that I had as leftover from a previous project. You can usually find this at any hardware store. It usually runs around $4 for a 10-foot section of it. For the bigger tabletop jump, I ended up using some used protein drink cartons that I had lying around. I cleaned them out and also glued the caps on them. I've used them on other projects before, and they're pretty durable and also kind of soft on the fingers of the kids. For this ramp type feature, I ended up bending some cardboard in a 90-degree and used it all throughout. For the more difficult features, you may want to draw an outline throughout to ensure you place them back where they need to go when you're finally getting ready to glue them in place. This is what it looked like once I was finally able to glue it all in place permanently. I did have the kids do a test run before we finalized it and added some decorations to it. A potty training 50-pack of decals came in handy to finalize our decorations and make it look really cool. If you've done your measurements correctly and everything fits right, you should be able to flip the table and still use the whiteboard side. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please don't hesitate to hit like or subscribe for updates and other ideas that I'll be posting in the future.